It can happen in an instant. Cooking fires are the leading cause of house fires in the United States. As you can imagine, unattended cooking was by far the leading contributing factor. Mesa Fire Medical Department Captain and paramedic Ken Hall says holidays are the most dangerous times for cooking fires because of the increase in distractions and longer cooking times. He says firefighter paramedics see an increase in several types of calls during the holiday season.
Many times we see people that cut their fingers or sustain an injury from prepping their food. Sometimes we see people that obtain burns from trying to cook food, and sometimes we even see fires that are started from grease and food left on the stove unattended.
Hall says if you or a child is burned, call 911 immediately, and firefighter paramedics will arrive to assist. But in the meantime, follow these safety tips.
Minor burns, the way we treat those is we run cool water over them for 3 to 5 minutes. We do not cover them with ice for an extended period of time because we can create a burn from the ice as well. Many people think that you can put some toothpaste, butter, or oils over a burn to soothe it or make it feel better. That is not the case. We do not want to apply any topical agents to a burn because it can increase your risk for infection.
Hall also suggests taping off an area around your stove and oven and teaching children to stay away while cooking.
We recommend a dual sensor smoke detector.
Ryan Johnson, a volunteer for the Fire Medical Department, says the organization is focused on prevention.
The fire department comes out and fights the fires, but a large part of the department is prevention and learning the safe way of living and making sure the house is safe. Smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and escape routes are a few ways of making sure that they can do that for you.
Frying foods poses the most risk for fires. Remember to keep your eyes on the stove at all times. And if you do have a grease fire, never throw water on the pan, or this could happen. Instead, firefighters suggest putting baking soda on a grease fire. But if the flames get out of hand, call 911 and get out. Firefighter engineer Scott Figgins says talking to children about an escape plan is key.
With the escape plan, we want to take our family members, especially the younger ones, into each room throughout the house and identify 2 means of egress. Egress being exit points for your home. Be that a door or a window, we have each escape plan should have 2 locations to exit.
Figgins, Hall, and Johnson say all homes should have functioning smoke detectors and a fire extinguisher. They, along with the Mesa Fire Medical Department, want you to know that they will be there for you and your family during a medical or fire emergency.